This is how we're going to take one sheet of paper and turn it into a booklet. So I'm going to talk about folding things in hot dog and hamburger. So hot dog is folding the long side. So we're going to fold it in half and crease. And then we'll open it back up. And then I'm going to fold it hamburger style. I'm going to fold it with the short ends together. And then crease. And then I'm going to open this up because now I'm going to use this center line, which I'm going to go ahead and mark for you so that you can see it. So I'm going to use this center line as my guide to take this short end and fold it over to meet that center line. I'm making the panels of my booklet now. So this right here is going to be a page, and this is going to be a page. And I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to take this short end and take it to the middle. Then, again, I'm going to crease it. So now we have all 8 panels that we're going to turn into a booklet. Now, in order to do this, I'm going to again fold on my center line again. And then I'm going to cut on this line right here. So I drew that solid line so you can see I'm going to cut right there. So I'm taking my scissors and cutting just to there. So now what I have is when I open this up, I've got this right in the middle. So now to make my booklet, I'm going to fold it on the hot dog way with this cut up. And then I'm going to push these ends in so that I get this right here. I'm going to finish folding it, flattening it up, and now I have a booklet with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if I want to, I can also end up having a 2-sided booklet by folding it the other way. Oops, I made a little mistake there. And again, popping this open right here so that I can have another booklet. And again, I've got 8 pages right here. I'm going to get my booklet folded a little bit. So I'll have a 2-sided booklet. So that's how your mess kit booklets are going to come. So hope you enjoy.